Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel with me, Zawad. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to find, locate and replace oil pump guys on Ford Flex. If you have a Ford Flex with 3.5 engine, stay with us and we'll show you what needs to be done to get to the oil pump and where it's located. So let's start on it now. So this is the oil pump guys right here. That's what it looks like. And that same engine that's used in the Ford Flex, the 3.5, it's actually used in the Ford Edge as well. So we'll be demonstrating on a Ford Edge that we took apart here. We took everything apart, so stay with us and we'll explain, okay, what you need to take apart to replace the pump. We have the whole video from start to finish, which is like almost 2 hours. So check it out in the description of the video below, but in today's video, a short video for location and what needs to be done. So you know whether you want to start the job or not. And I would definitely recommend to check out the long video and see step-by-step instructions. So first guys, you need to start by removing your upper intake. Once you remove your upper intake, you need to remove valve covers, front and rear valve covers. And why you need to do that? Because you need to remove the timing cover here. And that timing cover, in order to remove the timing cover, you need to remove your serpentine belts. This is the crankshaft pulley right here. It has two belts, one for the AC compressor, one for the power steering pump. Now, there is a special tool for the power steering pump to get the belt tight. So we have all that listed in the description of the video below guys for your convenience. Once you remove that crankshaft pulley, which you have to use a puller to get it out, we have the video, as I said, the detailed video. You're going to get to your timing cover, which is right here. This timing cover guys, you have to be extremely super careful when you remove it, because once you remove all the bolts, you use sealant. Okay, sealant is used to attach it to the engine so oil doesn't leak out. And you can see we cracked ours into how we did that. That sealant is really strong. We applied a little bit more force than we should have on one side and the cover just cracked. Yep, pretty simple. So be careful if you're doing the job not to do that. After that, you need to remove timing chain and the valve, variable valve gears. Okay, here the whole mechanisms. And next guys, you're going to see your engine looking like this one. And with the engine like that, this is your water pump there. Underneath the water pump, this is your crankshaft. Okay, and that pump just attaches guys to the crankshaft. Okay, it goes on top of the crankshaft. It has two spots, flat spots on the crankshaft. Okay, you can see one here, one on this side. And it has only 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. This is the bottom side of the pump, and that's where it picks oil from the oil pan. Okay, and it has 2 bolts here that hold the tube. Okay, the suction tube from the oil pan. Okay, this is the tube right here. So with all that being removed, your oil pump is right there. Okay, you can see we already removed ours, but that's how it is guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you guys. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you guys next time.